Question number 11. A concave lens of focal length 15 cm forms an image 10 cm from the lens. How far is the object placed from the lens? Draw the ray diagram. So we are given with the focal length is minus 15 cm because the focal length of the concave lens is negative. Image distance V is given minus 10 cm as the image is formed in the same side of the object, that is left of the lens, left side of the lens. So according to the sign convention, things which are all occur in the left side of the lens or mirror, we should take it as a negative. According to lens formula, 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. We know the value of V minus 10, so minus 1 by 10 minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by minus 15. Minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by 15 plus 1 by 10. So when 1 by 10 comes to right hand side from left hand side, the negative sign transform into positive. So 1 by U is equal to, this negative sign comes to the right hand side, and if we multiply this minus into the bracket, then 2 becomes plus 2 and 3 becomes minus 3. So 1 by U is equal to plus 2 minus 3 divided by 30. So we are taking the LCM for minus 15 and plus 10. The LCM is 30. The answer is minus 1 by 30 and U is equal to minus 30 centimeter. Therefore, an object should be placed 30 centimeter left of the lens. This is a ray diagram for this question. This is a concave lens and we are given with the focal length 15 centimeter. So the object distance we got minus 30 centimeter. If F is equal to minus 15 centimeter, obviously the 30 centimeter should be to F1. So the object should be placed in the point to F1 and we are getting the object distance is 30 centimeter and we are given with the image distance 10 centimeter. Question number 12. An object is placed at a distance of 10 cm from a convex mirror of focal length 15 cm. Find the position and nature of the image. To answer this question, we are given with object distance, that is minus 10 cm. The object distance is negative sign because the object is usually placed left of the mirror. The focal length F is equal to plus 15 centimeter. The principal focus of the convex mirror is behind the mirror and hence the focal length is positive. According to mirror formula, 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. We know the value of U, that is minus 10. So 1 by V minus 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by 15. 1 by V is equal to 1 by 15 plus 1 by 10. By taking the LCM, we will have 1 by V is equal to 1 by 6 and finally V is equal to plus 6 centimeter. Therefore, the image will be formed at 6 centimeter right of the mirror. The nature of the image is virtual and erect. This is a ray diagram. So this is a ray diagram for this question. In the case of convex mirror, this is a pole. It's pole of the mirror. This is object distance minus 10 centimeter. The rays are incident on the mirror and getting reflected towards this and this. So if we draw a line from these two reflecting point, we will get image at here, which is 6 centimeter behind the mirror. Question number 13. The magnification produced by a plane mirror is +1. What does it mean? To answer this question, what is the concept? Actually, what is magnification? We know that the magnification is height of the image divided by the height of the object. To get 1, these two values should be equal. So, the height of the image should be equal to height of the object to get the magnification 1. And to get +1, the positive sign shows that the image should be erect. Okay, now we see the conditions for the magnification. For getting the magnification is positive, the image should be virtual and erect. If the magnification is negative, then the image should be real. If the magnification is greater than 1, the image is enlarged, and it is less than 1, the image is diminished. If magnification is equal to 1, then the image should be same size of the object. So, we know the conditions to get, now we know the conditions to get +1 magnification. So, the image should be real size of same size of the object, and it is virtual and erect. This is ray diagram for getting the magnification +1. This is a plane mirror, and rays from the object is falling on the mirror and getting reflected like this and like this. These two are incident rays and these two are reflecting rays. At the point of reflection, if we draw a line, we will get the image here. We could see that both the size of the object and the images are equal, and the image is virtual and erect. So the magnitude of the magnification is 1, which means that the size of the image is equal to the size of the object.